The Endangered Asian Elephants by Anya Chand
and Radia Fatima. Do you know where Asian elephants live or what their scientific name is? Asian elephants live in the continent of Asia and rainforests. They are found in southern and southeastern of Asia. Their scientific name for Asian elephants is Elephas maximus.
Why are Asian elephants endangered? Asian elephants are endangered because of poaching and habitat loss. Their tusks are worth a lot of money in the stores, so humans have been killing them for money. Humans are also cutting down their habitat. Asian elephants are being caught for tourist attractions too.
Do you know what level of endangerment Asian elephants are? What is the level of endangerment? It is how much the animal is endangered. Some animals can be endangered, however, other animals can be more endangered. The level of endangerment Asian elephants are is endangered.
What if Asian elephants were extinct? Asian elephants are important to our environment because they break up thorny bushes, create grasslands, and create water holes. By doing that, they make other animals' lives easier to survive in the environment. Without Asian elephants, there would not be a high chance that other animals will survive.
Here's how you can help. Here are some ways you can help Asian elephants survive. One way is that you can help by not hunting their tusks. Another way to help is not to destroy Asian elephants' habitat. Don't you think it is best that Asian elephants are not extinct? Where we got our information from. Do you know where we got our information from? For the second and third slide, we used Ducksters.com. Check that website out for more information about the endangered Asian elephants. For the fourth slide, we used AnimalPlanet.com. For the fifth slide, we used SaveThePlanets.com. For the sixth slide, we used Ducksters.com. That is where we got our information from.